And India is making a bid to host the Commonwealth Games again. India is keen on hosting the 2030 Commonwealth Games, and according to sources, India has initiated that bid. The next Commonwealth Games will be in 2026 in Glasgow, and even in that case, India has offered to host the dropped games from those Commonwealth Games. Around 10 games have been dropped. Let's go across to Rika for more. And Rika, give us all the details.
Well, the sources in Sports Ministry have told us that so far as the 2026 Glasgow Games are concerned, from where as many as 10 games were dropped, India has unofficially expressed interest in hosting those 10 games that will not be hosted in Glasgow. Remember, it is a hurriedly put together games after Australia refused to be the hosts. Now, so far as 2030 is concerned, we've got to know that India is very close to submitting a bid for the 2030 Commonwealth Games as well. So Commonwealth Games very likely will return to India in 2030. That's a big news that we are conveying to our viewers at this hour. So stay tuned for more updates. And so far as 2036 is concerned, that everyone is keen to know whether India gets to host the Olympic Games or not. India has sent a letter of intent to International Olympic Committee. Remember, the International Olympic Committee president elections are in March. After that, things will start moving. India will have some will have to compete against some very strong bids that will come in from the Middle Eastern nations. And finally, we will get to know in 2026 March whether Olympics is coming to India or not.